Say what up to all the viewers. Say what up to all the viewers. All 16 subscribers. Alright guys, good morning. It is windy. Doesn't seem that windy right now. But it's been blowing. It's just kind of in a lull. Believe me, it's just a lull. Anyways, I just got off work. I'm heading to Tahoe right now. John and his girl Bree are heading up, and possibly Zach, our friend. And yeah, we're mobbing, going straight up there. I got the Wave Bandit, the 7-foot. I got a couple wetsuits. I'm gonna use my wetsuit's like falling apart, and it's been falling apart, and it's because I'm surfing so much now. And it was used when I bought it, like, I don't know, 4 years ago or so. So it's just it's on its last legs, and like all the ends, like the arms at the bottom of the legs, they're all like frayed and like split. And then there's so many holes in it all over the place. There's a lot of like fabric that's falling off of the rubber. It's just all over the place. So we're off the neoprene. So I'm using Ditras today. It's pretty much the same size as mine, like a little bit smaller in the chest. So I think that'll actually be better, because I've been having a lot of slack in the chest area. So I don't know, we'll see how it works. I brought both, so just in case, like if it's really bad and it's like cutting off circulation or something, because it was a little tight on my arms because it's a girl's wetsuit. Same brand though, it's XL. You can't even tell it's a girl's wetsuit. So anyways, I'm just gonna wear that and see how it feels. And if I don't like it, I can always, you know, get back in the car and change and put mine back on and just layer up like I was going to. But yeah, I'm excited because hers is like brand new. It was a gift when I worked at Blackfern. It was a gift from Mike and Sarah. They just gave it to Ditra. So anyways, okay, I got started the car. I'm just so pumped right now. I was just checking the webcams here at work, and it was looking good. There's some peelers out the back. Kings Beach is starting to look really good. The plan today is to hit Kings Beach and Sand Harbor in one day, 2 states, California and Nevada, obviously. And yeah, I'm pumped. The temperature is going to be like in the 50s, low 50s, and then upper 40s later on. And we're talking winds of 30 miles an hour sustained and 50 mile an hour gusts, equating the temperature with the wind chill down to like 39, which is actually a lot warmer than the past. So I'm pretty pumped. It's not going to be like a SoCal sash or anything, but you know, it's definitely going to be a lot warmer. So yeah, it's on. Thanks for watching. So I just got to the scenic overlook. I'm going to check the waves from up here. I've never tried that, but I kind of want to see if maybe I can see some white water on certain shores more than others. So that's what I'm going for. It's windy and cold. It's not that cold. It says, my car says 51. Doesn't feel that cold. Maybe I'm just so amped right now that I don't even notice. But I'm seeing some definite swell lines over here on the Nevada side. That's what that bay is that I was just pointing at. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Guys, I'm talking to John right now. He's got Zach on the other line. Zach's kind of our intel. because he lives up here. So we're about to hear the word. People are out here trying to play golf today. Like, I don't know why I can't hit it on the green today. Teeing off's a real
Hey, you still there?
Yeah, what's up?
Sorry about that.
No worries.
Zach is at sand, and he said that they're already forming good out by the rock,
Uh-huh.
and he's thinking he's gonna start at sand.
Okay. Cool. Sounds good. What are you thinking?
I think that Brian and I are lucky. We have 40 minutes until we get there. So, whatever y'all tell me, I'll just follow it too. If you wanted to do Kings and then sand, that's cool. If you want to go right to sand, then that's cool too. And if you see something better, I just trust your judgment.
Okay. I'm kind of interested to see. I'm just interested to see what sand. I just don't want to miss out at one spot. You know what I mean? And then have it die off later. Like for instance, Kings. I don't want it to die later and then not get waves there. You know.
The days Zach and I have had a lot of luck. We started at Kings and then ended at sand.
Yeah.
Because it has more water in that inlet, and it just takes a little more time to get going.
Uh-huh.
But like I said, either way is gravy. I'm down for both.
Me too. But is he for sure going in right now? Over there?
Yeah, he's there now, and he just decided he's going to stay, unless we call him and tell him otherwise.
Let's do it. Let's go to sand. I'm gonna check incline real quick. I'm here, so I'm just gonna look at it.
Alright, see you in about 40 minutes.
Sounds good. Bye. Dude, it's freaking pumping. But like, just like last time, these waves are super, just breaking right on shore. So this isn't good. I don't know, maybe I'll text Zach and see if I can see what he thinks. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. I'm so bad at deciding. Hey, what's up?
Hey, he said that he appreciates it, but they're really picking up at sand. He said that sand is going to be firing.
Okay, sick. Yeah, incline's like breaking right on the beach, so it's like worse than last time. I mean, they look great, but they're just not forming further enough out or far enough out.
He gave us the Zach freaking guarantee.
Cool, dude. Yeah, I'm pumped. I'm going to sand. I'm feeling the vibe. You know what I mean? I think sand's the spot.
There's some special event. Let's go, Bree. We got. There's some special event today where parking at sand is free. So.
What?
Yeah.
Dude, sick. Cool. Okay.
Cool, man. We're pointing our car door towards you right now, leaving the gas station.
Cool.
Alright, sweet.
I'll
See you soon.
see you soon.
Alright, peace, bye.
Bye. We're going to Sand Harbor, guys. This is like, by all means, a warm water Tahoe sesh in comparison to like February or January when it's really pumping. You just don't expect these kind of waves this time of year. I mean, literally, I was on the beach yesterday and it was full summer. Like, all the kids, you know, like everyone's playing in the water. Hi. How's it going? Good.
It's free today.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's what I heard.
Yep. Go ahead.
Is that because of some event?
It is Discover Nevada State Parks Day.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Have a good
Nice.
day.
Thank you. You too. frothing. I'm sitting up, getting out there. Dude, there's a ton of surfers here right now. There's a lot. What the hell? I've never seen so many surfers at Tahoe. Tripping out because my body just, I'm like, feel like I'm going over waves still. You guys all done now?
Yeah.
Pretty fun, huh?
Yeah, it's not bad. First time I got to surf in the summer up here.
Yeah.
First time testing out the beater over here.
Nice.
Yeah.
Where do you guys live?
Myers, South Lake.
Okay.
What about you?
Reno.
Oh, nice. What's your name, man?
Chase.
Chase? Cameron.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too. Noah.
My son's name.
Awesome.
One of my sons. Look at the full-on catch surf quiver over here. That's sick. I wanted to get one of these years ago, and I just never
It's
did.
fun, but it's just like. Well, nice meeting you, man.
Yeah, you too, dude.
Yeah, take care. Have a good one.
Yeah.
See you around.
Take care. See you guys. Epic sesh. Oh, my neck is killing me though from all that paddling. Woo! But look at this, I got the windows down, I changed in the parking lot without getting freezing cold. Unbelievable. I've never surfed Tahoe like this. Anyways, I'm hightailing it out of here. Yeah, I gotta get home in time to put Noah to bed. Thanks for watching today. Hope I got some sick footage. Hope you guys got to see it. Look how beautiful this is. Look at this. The best part about surfing Tahoe too, especially today, whenever you get thirsty, just drink Tahoe. It's like just pure water. It's awesome. It's super cool. First GoPro sesh like in open water too, so I'm super pumped on that. I can't wait to see the footage. Just all around an amazing day. Look at this. beautiful. Shout out to Deidre, my lovely wife, for letting me do this today. She's literally the best friend I've ever had. Like, she knows me inside and out. She knows everything about me. She knows more about me than I even do. And she's just so generous with her time, and she's such a good mother to my babies and to my boys. And I just feel super grateful right now. Super grateful to be alive. Super grateful to be here in this moment. I also got to see Marcus Tingle and Ruben Sanchez out in the water today. That was a fun little surprise. I was paddling over to the south break. There's like a right down there, and I went to paddle into that, and from far away I recognized Ruben. I'm like, oh, there's Ruben. And then when I paddled up, this other guy next to Ruben's like, what's up, dude? And I'm like, who's this? And then I saw his face, and it was Marcus, the owner of Adrift. Anyways, guys, I hope you all had a good day today, and I hope you're keeping the stoke alive. And yeah, thank you for watching.